going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog update. Got a day before school starts, trying to get some relaxation time in. Hoping to get some good footage this year. Wish y'all had been around for my last 2 semesters doing all my welding stuff. I think y'all have really enjoyed that, but as the school allows, I'll be trying to get some footage. Next semester I'll be doing some marine tech, getting ready for whenever me and my wife move down to Florida. Anyways, man, y'all stay tuned, check out the rest of the content on the channel, and if you like what you see, you know, click the subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications. I'd like to see y'all around.